Hello guys, this is Krishna and today we'll take a look at a Java topic. It is very simple one which is for loop, and this is very important topic. So what is a for loop? For loop are used when you want some piece of code to repeat certain number of times. Like you want to print your name thousand number of times. You can do it. You can do it like by system.out.println and your name. You can do it 100 times, but it won't be convenient. So we use for loop over here. We can just instruct our code to do this 100 number of times, repeat itself 100 number of times, and it will do it automatically. So, and it will save lot of work. So how to implement it? It is very simple. And I'll just start with an example. Like let me create main method. Oops. And in this main method I'll just directly go for loop. So how is it implemented? Let me just increase the text size a little bit. Yeah, so you have to write for, and in the parenthesis you have to define any integer. Like you most conventionally it is I. There is a convention for I, but you may use any variable. So I'll go with I because it makes sense to go with the convention. And let's say, and here we have to give it any value like starting value. Let's say 0. Okay, so and after semicolon, now we have to define the ending position of I. Like if I wanna print I something 100 times, so what I'll do is I'll initialize I from 0 and I'll take it up to 100. And it will go till 100. So let's say I want to print my name 20 times. So what I'll do is like I will be less than 20 because it is starting from 0. So we'll do until I is less than 20, execute this code. This is how JVM interprets our code. I is starting from 0 and until I is less than 20, just run this piece of code. And now we have to instruct JVM like how much should it increase the value of I every time it runs the code. So I'll do it just one time. It is a way of saying that the value of I will increase by 1. We can do it by I++. And in this for loop, let's say I want to print my name. So what I'll do is like print I and I'll print my name. I and my name. I'm printing both of them. So let's run it. Look over here. It is printing 20 times because it is starting from 0 and it is going until 19. So it is 20 times. And see, I just wrote 3 lines of code to print my name 20 times. It is more efficient way of programming. And everything in this code is important. Like I cannot remove it. I can, but our code will just go until infinity and it will eat up our system memory. Look, it gets running. It won't stop until I manually stop it.
Okay, so it is like this. What if?
Like we know that it will go until infinity. So What if I do something like after this for loop I'm doing it. Sorry, okay. I'm printing CFI over here. I'm printing it. Just try to figure out what should be the output. It's very simple. And take your time. You have 5 seconds to solve the question and post your answer in the comment section. Okay, so let's take a look at the output. You may see there is showing an error. Let me explain why it shows an error. Look over here. When we run our code won't get out of this for loop. It will run till infinity. So what will happen is our code won't, JVM won't be able to execute this line of code. It won't be able to execute. So it is compile time error. While compiling, JVM throws an error. I hope you guys got it, because this line of code, it won't get executed forever. Like, our code won't be able to get out of this for loop. If I do is like, I define a break statement over here, and you may see now that will give us output. What break statement does, it brings our code out of this for loop. So it is just printing only once, and then break statement works and it takes our code out of this for loop and this statement gets printed. I hope this is clear to you. Like, it is very easy topic. If you still have any doubt, you can just ask us in the comment section. We'll answer all your doubts. You can also rewind the video. And thank you guys. Hope to meet you all very soon. And please smash that like button. It will really motivate us. And also consider subscribing to our channel, because we are planning to do very good stuff for you. And till then, bye bye. See you guys in the next video. Thanks.